Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a Dell docking station to an HP laptop, you might be unsure whether the two devices will work together smoothly since they come from different brands. The good thing is that most modern docking stations are designed to be compatible across devices, especially if they use standard connections like USB-C or Thunderbolt. However, proper setup is important because even a small mismatch in ports, drivers, or settings can prevent the dock from working correctly. Whether you want to connect monitors, keyboard, mouse, or charging through the dock, everything depends on a stable and correctly configured connection. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Dell docking station to an HP laptop and get all your devices working properly. Try these. Step 1. Connect the docking station to a power source and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock into your HP laptop. Step 3. Wait for the laptop to detect the docking station automatically. Step 4. Install or update drivers if prompted for proper compatibility. Step 5. Connect your external devices like monitor, keyboard, and mouse to the dock. Step 6. Check system settings to ensure all connected devices are working correctly.